Hi there, you've probably come to this page because you're interested in finding out about crypto trading. Problem is you don't know where to start. Well, let me tell you, I'm not going to be offering you any free training programs. I'm certainly not going to ask you to go out and buy any special trading computer, and I'm not going to ask you to download any software. What I am going to do is give you access to a trading robot that will trade for you 24/7, 365 days of the year. Make money while you're sleeping. Now, if you're interested in getting access to this trading robot, then all you have to do is below this video, there's a big button that says click here to trade today. Click that button, let me have your name and your email address. And what I'll do is I'll send straight to your inbox the instructions of how you can get started and how you can be trading today. I'll see you in the next video. You have an amazing day and happy trading. Click that button now and I'll see you on the inside. Bye now.